Hi, I'm Ms. McCauley, and welcome to Natural Disturbances and Human Disasters. So, we're going to use Google Classroom a lot this year, and every week I'm going to post weekly slides so you can follow along with us and see what we're doing in class each day. So, for example, this week we started by setting up our composition notebooks. So, for our class, we're going to keep an interactive notebook where we keep all of our labs, our writing prompts, some of our models that we make. Those will all go in our composition notebook. We also have an activity book, which has all the handouts for the whole semester, so you can follow along with those. So I'll update these as we go through and do different things. So, for example, we started off by looking at this mystery rock, and I have some pictures here in case you were absent, and we learned about geodes and how they're formed. We're going to be covering topics like why is the Earth important, how do natural disasters happen, and what we can do to help mitigate those issues. So this week we'll be looking at some things like zombie wildfires, and we'll start looking more into natural resources and what the Earth is like on the inside. Thursday we're going to make an interactive model of the Earth, and Friday we're actually going to go to the labs and make our own geodes. So everything will always be kept in Google Classroom, and I'll keep that pinned up to the top of the stream. Under classwork, you can see some of the topics we'll cover this year. We're going to have a final project. We'll look at severe storms, droughts and fires, tsunamis, floods, and we'll have that as a link into our sedimentary rocks. We'll look at earthquakes and metamorphic rocks, volcanoes and igneous rocks, and right now we're in the Intro to Geology and Plate Tectonics unit. I posted some helpful tips for you if you have some technology troubles, how to use your Chromebook, how to refresh it, all that stuff is right here. I also posted lots of beginning of the year info. So I've got a digital copy of all our handouts. Students took an intro student survey. We also did an intro ed puzzle where it was a real short video with some questions on it. Students uploaded a picture of their signed class norms here on Google Classroom. And I posted a lot of good reference material, like how to find your academic counselor and email them, how to access our anonymous tip line. I linked the school-wide daily announcements, some of our alternate schedules, and those things we covered on the very first day of school. So we're going to have a great semester, and let me know if you have any questions. Bye.